It's only been one day, and this bus is already driving me crazy. Just kidding. Yeah, it has been one day, but holy shit, I got a lot done, so figured I'd show you guys what I've been up to. Thanks, guys, for already commenting on how horrible those chairs were. I totally agreed, and that's exactly why I had to pull them out as soon as possible, so this is what's up. So just make sure to watch your step there. Watch the dog too, but mostly watch your step because she can be real tricky to get up. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's just a little different. So first and foremost, those three chairs, I mean, they're gone. I decided I will be listing them on Kijiji, and I don't know, I can give them to you guys, you know, special deal for following me, maybe $500 a chair, something like that. I mean, you know, vintage and all. But yeah, here's the old electrical. That stuff's coming out right away. And yeah, here is the bunks that are gone. Here's the back bedroom that's gone. And here is the washroom. But mostly, all that crap is cleared right out. So I know I build more than my fair share of stuff, and people ask me how I do it. Well, to be quite honest, I'll start building and then I just get more and more ideas as I go. This is a perfect example. This bus comes with a lot of cool features like emergency exits. This emergency exit is going to be right over top of the master bedroom, and I figured, yes, you can either have the exit closed and open the hatch, or you can turn it into a bubble top and have a skylight. So with everything cleared out, this bus is 8 feet wide, and I'd say it's about 6 to 8 feet longer than the 30-foot tape measure I broke trying to measure it. So I'm already dealing with a hell of a lot of space here, but yeah, this bus also comes with 4 storage compartments down below that are big enough to house Donald Trump's ego. So I'm going to kick it up a notch again, and we're going to sink this floor another 8 to 10 inches.